it's Dave here, and in this video I'm going to show you what you will get when you come inside Traffic Authority, for which obviously you are a member of at the moment, or if you're on my list you'll be a member. And Traffic Authority is where you can get premium, high quality, top tier traffic, tier 1 traffic for your website at reasonably good prices. But it's what you will get when you're inside it that makes your online work so much easier. This is the dashboard area, and what happens in this dashboard area is that you have the overview followed by all of these steps here, steps 1 through to 6, to get your Traffic Authority business up and running so that you can get some good money into your bank. Now this works really well. There are loads of different steps. If you follow the 6 steps through, then you'll be set, ready and raring to go. And what will happen is it will then move you on to the dashboard area where you can get through to your marketing links to promote your Traffic Authority business, which is best worked when you have it set up with list leverage. And I'll explain, there are other videos on my channel which will explain how you can get yourself set up so that everything runs autonomously for you. But that's a brief look at the 6 steps that you will need to get your Traffic Authority business up and running. If you found this content of use, then please feel free to hit the like button, hit the bell button to get notified of every video that I upload to this channel, and don't forget to comment beneath the video as well so that we can help others to share the success of Traffic Authority. Thanks for watching for now.